You've seen the headlines, they scream of impending doom. AI is coming for your job. The robots are rising and they're after your livelihood. Or so the story goes. It's enough to make you eye your toaster suspiciously, wondering if it's plotting your replacement with a newer, smarter model. We all feel that automation anxiety, that nagging fear that our skills will soon be obsolete. Imagining robots taking over everything from factories, streamlining production with tireless efficiency. To our own desks, automating tasks we thought were uniquely human. The fear is everywhere, a pervasive sense of unease about the future of work, fueled by stories of self-driving trucks poised to displace millions of drivers and supercomputers outsmarting us, beating us at games we invented, solving problems we can't comprehend. But is this really a battle between humans and machines, a zero-sum game where only one can win? Maybe the real story isn't about replacement, about robots snatching our jobs and leaving us unemployed, but about transformation, a fundamental shift in how we work and what we do. What if AI is less a villain, a cold, calculating force come to steal our purpose, and more like a super-smart intern, eager to assist, ready to learn, and always available? One that handles the boring stuff, the tedious tasks that drain our energy and stifle our creativity, so you can focus on what matters, on the work that truly engages you, that challenges you, that makes a difference, instead of firing us, rendering our skills obsolete and our experience worthless. Maybe the robots are just here to finally fix the Wi-Fi, ending our daily struggle with dropped connections and slow loading speeds, and clear out our inboxes, banishing the endless stream of spam and irrelevant messages that clutter our digital lives. Let's take a breath, a moment to step back from the hype and the hysteria, and look past the scary headlines, the sensational stories designed to grab our attention and stoke our fears, the monster under the bed, the terrifying vision of a robot-dominated future. Might just be a helpful gadget, a tool to make our lives easier, more productive, and more fulfilling. So, what's really happening with AI in our jobs? Is it a threat or an opportunity? Let's find out. The narrative around AI is often dominated by fear, painting a picture of a technological tsunami wiping out every job in its path. But is that really the full story? AI isn't a tidal wave wiping out every job. It's more like a new set of currents reshaping the landscape, carving new paths and altering the terrain. It's a force of nature, yes, but one that can be navigated and even harnessed. Some jobs will change, evolving to incorporate new technologies and skill sets. Some will disappear, rendered obsolete by automation and advancements. But many will evolve, transforming into something new and potentially more rewarding. Remember when ATMs arrived on the scene? There were similar anxieties then. Bank tellers didn't vanish. They didn't simply disappear from the workforce. Instead, they became advisors and problem solvers, focusing on more complex customer needs. AI is a tool, not a replacement. It's a powerful tool, but a tool nonetheless. It's brilliant at crunching data and automating repetitive tasks, freeing up human workers from mundane activities, but it can't match human intuition or empathy, those uniquely human qualities that are essential in so many roles. The real story is about augmentation, how AI can amplify our abilities and enhance our performance. How can AI make us better at what we do, allowing us to focus on the aspects of our work that truly matter? Yes, some repetitive jobs are at risk, those tasks that are easily automated, but new opportunities are opening up, creating demand for skills that didn't even exist a few years ago. The future isn't black and white. It's not a simple case of humans versus machines. It's a messy, interesting shade of gray, a complex interplay between human and artificial intelligence. Our challenge is to figure out how to work with AI, to collaborate and co-create, not against it but alongside it, leveraging its strengths to complement our own. It's about transformation, not extinction. It's about evolving and adapting to a new reality. The question isn't, will AI take my job? That's the wrong question to be asking, but how can I use AI to do my job better? How can I leverage this technology to become more effective, more efficient, and more valuable? That's where things get interesting. That's where the real potential lies. Let's look at real-world changes. Take graphic designers. Before AI, they spent hours on tedious tasks like cutting backgrounds and searching for images. Now, AI tools generate images and remove backgrounds in seconds, freeing designers to focus on creativity and strategy. Their role shifts from pixel pusher to creative director. On the flip side, data entry clerks, whose jobs are all about repetition, are seeing their tasks automated away. But their skills, attention to detail, organization, are still valuable. With training, they can become data analysts or AI supervisors, overseeing and improving the automation process. The job title may change, but the person adapts. It's a shift from doing the work to guiding the work. AI isn't erasing people, it's changing what we do. The key is learning to work with the technology. That's the real makeover. AI is creating jobs that didn't exist 5 years ago, like prompt engineer, the AI whisperer who crafts the perfect questions to get the best results from AI. There are also AI ethicists and bias auditors who ensure algorithms are fair and responsible. These roles blend philosophy, detective work, and tech skills. We're seeing new jobs like AI trainers who fine-tune models and automation managers who oversee AI integration. Some even talk about AI therapists helping people adapt to working with intelligent systems. For every job AI changes, new doors open. The job market isn't shrinking, it's evolving. The future belongs to those who can bridge the gap between human creativity and machine efficiency. These new roles are just the beginning. The world of work is being reinvented. So, what truly makes us irreplaceable in this evolving world? The answer lies in our uniquely human skills. Critical thinking, analyzing, questioning, and connecting ideas is something that AI simply can't replicate. Creativity is another superpower. AI can remix and iterate, but only humans can truly invent. Emotional intelligence, empathy, communication, leadership remains uniquely ours, setting us apart. Adaptability is crucial. The ability to learn and grow continuously keeps us ahead. In a world increasingly dominated by AI, these skills are your edge. Practice them, nurture them, and you'll stay valuable and relevant. The future belongs to the curious, the creative, and the adaptable. Robots can automate tasks, but they can't replace what fundamentally makes us human. Double down on being authentically you. Let's reframe the story, shift the narrative. It's not humans versus AI, a battle for supremacy, but humans plus AI, a powerful collaboration. Think of AI not as a rival threatening your job, but as a powerful assistant, a tool to amplify your abilities. Together, we're a tag team, a dynamic duo ready to take on any challenge. Humans bring creativity, that spark of innovation and empathy, the ability to understand and connect with others. AI brings speed, processing power beyond our comprehension, and data, insights hidden within vast oceans of information. Take doctors. Consider their vital role in our society. AI analyzes scans in seconds, identifying potential issues with incredible accuracy. But doctors provide care, that human touch and wisdom, years of experience guiding their decisions. This partnership frees us from grunt work, those repetitive, mind-numbing tasks that drain our energy, and lets us focus on what matters, the work that truly inspires us and makes a difference. The future is about orchestrating systems, not just operating tools, understanding how all the pieces fit together to achieve a common goal. Our value will be in directing, setting the course, strategizing, planning for the future, and asking the right questions, challenging assumptions, and seeking deeper understanding. We become managers and creators, leading teams and bringing new ideas to life, with AI as our most capable employee, a tireless worker ready to assist us in any task. Yes, adaptation is required. We must embrace new skills and ways of working, but the payoff is more interesting. Creative work, tasks that challenge us and ignite our passions. Imagine a world where AI handles the tedious stuff, freeing up your time and energy, and you get to solve real problems, the complex challenges that demand human ingenuity and critical thinking. That's the promise of the human-AI partnership, a future where we work together to achieve more than ever before. It's about elevating what only humans can do, unlocking our full potential and creating a better world for all. We've explored the fears and the opportunities now. What's next for you? The future of work is collaboration, not competition, with AI as your digital colleague. Don't fear the technology, get curious about it. Look at your job, what could AI handle? And what would you do with the freed up time? Start thinking of yourself as the pilot, with AI as your co-pilot. The most successful people will be those who partner with AI to amplify their abilities. Don't wait for the future, start shaping it now. Experiment with AI tools, learn, adapt, and stay curious. Remember, the most powerful processor is still your brain. The robots are here to help. Let's build something amazing together.